Checking your account balance on BlackVPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the BlackVPN website. Open your web browser and go to the official BlackVPN website. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your account security. Step 2. Log into your account. Locate the login button on the homepage and click it. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account or settings section in your account dashboard. Click on this option to view your account details. Step 4. Check account balance. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ESRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account. Look for the logout option, usually found in the top right corner, and click it to ensure your account remains secure. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on BlackVPN. Always remember to log out after accessing your account for added security.